Good morning, guys. Today is our first day at breakfast. Guys, say good morning. I guess people are a little bit tired. We are on our way to Mexico right now. We'll be there at 12 o'clock p.m. It is 9:37 a.m. This is what our menu is looking like. Oops. Not sure what I'm gonna get. Here's the restaurant. It's all on the boat. This got my parfait. This junk looks way better than McDonald's. This is so good. It looks so good. I got my apple juice. They didn't have cranberry, so I had to set up an apple. And yeah, I know it's pretty late for me to be editing this vlog, but I just want to give y'all a backstory of that yogurt parfait, because just looking back at it just gave me PTSD. So immediately after I took a bite into that yogurt parfait, I started to feel really different. I started to get really nauseous. I started to get hot. I started to itch. My throat started to feel like it was closing up on me and I couldn't breathe. My chest was starting to burn. And I'm like, okay, maybe I was eating too fast, but I really had a peanut allergy. I kind of knew I had a peanut allergy because whenever I would eat granola and just different stuff like that, it would make me feel that way, but not as bad as I was on the cruise. So I was like, my stomach was hurting really, really bad. I had to leave breakfast. I didn't even get to eat my food. I went to my room. My mom and my brother were still, eating their food. I went to the room. I laid down for a few minutes. I got up and I threw up. And when I threw up the yogurt parfait, it was all over the place. But after throwing up, it really made me feel better. And I started to break out. So I had a rash on my face, rash on my chest, on my arms, my legs, my back. It was just pretty bad, but I felt better, and I was glad I felt better, because I was like, it's my first day in Mexico, I gotta be good, but I was fine. Okay guys, so we finally reached Mexico. We about to be lit. We're gonna be here all day. We got some nice plans. We're going ATVing, we're gonna go parasailing, we're gonna go jet skiing, we're gonna go snorkeling, we're gonna do everything we ain't never done before. Cause why not? YOLO, you only live once. It's the fit for the day. I got this long sleeve bathing suit on. It's not even that hot though, that's the whole kill though. I got this not hot. I got this on, this headband, and I got the, and some black sandals or whatever. Oh, I didn't let y'all know. So the last clip of me recording that parfait, I had allergic reaction. I started throwing up. I broke out. I got into a rash. My throat started closing. My nose got stuffy. It was a big old mess. But I'm good now. The girl feeling great. Just a little bit hungry because I didn't get to eat because my stomach was hurting. I left breakfast and went to the room. But it's chill or whatever. But I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Hi, beautiful lady. Hi. Good morning.
Hola, bonita.
Me.
Hi.
What does that mean?
Hola, happy, beautiful.
Why can't they call me beautiful? Why can't they call me beautiful? Bruh. What? Yeah. Your girl
my second stamp. Right there is me. Oh, I'm sorry. So y'all wristbands.
I got 3. Y'all got 2.
Mexican food is so bomb. Yeah, what? Veggie burger, cheese quesadilla with guac, like torch.
Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to give y'all some water footage. Yeah, I'm about to give y'all some water. Oh wait, okay. I'm about to give y'all some waterproof footage. The water footage. What's good, kid? Right now we're in Mexico, and we got this little obstacle course where you can swim and stuff like that. I have a life vest on because the girl can't swim. And I just hit 50K subs. 50K subscribers. Woo! So y'all, I can't swim, and but your boy can. No, me and Zion both can't swim. So you got on life jackets. Oh my God! We got. The only person in our family that can swim is our dad. We got life jackets on because, Okay, Zion, don't splash me, please. Alright, Zion. That blue and white thing. There was fish under me. No, my goggles got wet. Your goggles not wet in the inside? I want to put my goggles on so I can go under the water, but for some reason, hold it, Zion. Stop! It's waterproof. No, but still, put me in the camera. Back to me. Oh! I just got done riding the ATV. If y'all see dirt in my hair, it's because I was riding the ATV.